Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Avax. I saw some bullish momentum this morning. I mean, it was relatively strong compared to other cryptos. It's not really what you can see on the chart right now, but it doesn't matter that much. It's also just been a while since I covered Avax, all right? And I know that quite a lot of you are interested in that. It's a coin that I like quite a bit. I mean, I used to hold it back in 2021. Don't hold it anymore. But I do think that there's some potential here. I mean, Avax, it's kind of correlated to Solana. And Solana doesn't look like it will break out here. But I do think Avax, if you look at everything, like I said this morning, it showed some relative strength. There's also some good open interest build up. And the open interest also seems to be still increasing. So that increases the possibilities of something good happening for Avax. If you look at Avalanche itself, it's fine, right? I mean, the total value looked is good. It's not at its peak anymore. I mean, the peak was 25 December. Actually, excuse me, let me actually check this out, because here you can see it a bit better. Yeah, so here you can see, I mean, the total value locked peaked around Christmas. Same for Solana, and now it's dropping down. So fundamentally, Avax looks not as great as it did right here. And just technically, I mean, you can see with the trend line right here, it's bearish, all right? It's not trending up anymore. We're getting some bottom indicators, which are indications that that at least we have found some significant support. But in general, most likely scenario always is, in my eyes, is that the market structure will continue. It seems to me that Bitcoin has also found some strong resistance, which is also not helping. So most likely to me seems that Avax will drop back down from here. Right, there's resistance all the way from $40 down to this trend line and the 100 EMA at 38.2. What needs to happen is Avax needs to get a bullish breakout. All right, if it's able to break above 38.2, there's a good chance it breaks above $40 as well, and then we can rally back up to 45 and actually potentially set up some sort of a consolidation to eventually rally up higher to $55. That's what we want to see. All right. But you would need to see some indications for this, and the open interest increasing is good, and that's a minor indication of that. But the open interest would need to go up even like way more, and if you don't know how to track that, looking at the volume, that should be way higher as well. Right now it's just above $1 billion, which is great. But if you compare that with times we were rallying much higher, it was around above 3 billion sometimes. So the only way I could see Avax getting a bullish breakout and becoming more bullish from here is if it breaks above 40 and 38.2, and for that the volume would need to be at least 1.5 billion. And I don't see that happening right now. In the future, if you see that happening, or you think that's going to happen, then something like this is still possible. But at this moment, it seems most likely that we'll just respect the current structure, and that will slowly drop down to this major support at 30 and 28.5, which I do think I'll buy from. Just so you know, it's a strong support, psychological support. There's some strong technical levels in there, so keep an eye on that. But for now, it looks most likely we'll drop down to there, and then from there maybe we'll have some more chances to potentially break out above 38 and rally up. Because at some point of time, Avax is going to rally again. It's just a question when. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group for if you want to know when I enter Avax. And that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.